Yeah, it's on Common TV.
Oh shit. It's about to be lit. Got my boy Dante right here.
We got the little bitch with us for the first time.
Shondell. Oh, let's finally come with the boys. Boys don't do this. You gotta do some shit, some other shit.
Then
you gonna get the camera. I'll make you talk to the camera.
You know, I didn't jump, thanks. Okay, look ugly, look ugly. And uglier. Hear this one, hear this one. Calling people ugly.
And not even pointing to his face.
This is one ugly nigga, right? Shondell. And he black ass shit. He matches his hair color.
Your girl was saying that I was sending from the black.
You're a rapist on his side. He was like 20 something, talking to 15 years ago.
You like 18.
Who 18? Nigga? I'm 14. Fucking rapist.
You with the big boys today, boy.
How you turning
Shit like
anybody gotta pee for the last time? Yo,
calm,
ready?
Bathroom break. You ready, nigga?
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Bring that hat downstairs for me,
Shit,
baby.
packed in here, boy. We got blessed with us today.
Baby.
We got
Bring
blessed
that
with
hat
us.
downstairs.
We got blessed. Alright. I'm about to go use the bathroom. Anybody gotta use the bathroom? Gary, you gotta use the bathroom?
Bless, say bless with you.
Bless, come use the bathroom. Come use the bathroom, Bless. Hold on, Bless, hold up. So I don't know what the fuck you think you're doing.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I'm bigger than Tyler and Baby J.
Put it in between there, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we back from the bathroom break. You know how we giving it up.
Oh,
Is it recording?
We about to hit the road.
Is it recording?
Shit like that.
What the fuck is problem? What the fuck is that?
Basketball.
This nigga just said
in the vehicle was getting his penis hard.
the co-hig is dick hard, he said.
This one.
What?
This one. This dark skin.
Oh,
Now explain yourself. This is the time to explain yourself. Listen, hurry up.
Why y'all so close together, bro? Y'all wasn't sitting like that. Bless was in the middle before that, right?
Exactly. Bless was in
What type of Mukman shit going on back there, boy?
It was going on back there.
annoying.
He said the co-hig is dick hard.
Okay. But
Yo, Bless.
Back
They turning you out back there? They turning you out back there?
Oh, they squeezing me.
Hey,
Pushing each other, like pushing me.
Hey, yo, hot fireman.
Oh, you better say pause before you say that, bro. Going on the bridge, shit's looking lit right now.
That's why you got a little ass dick.
What? Hey, come on, we not gonna be here. Hey, yo, we finally here. About to cross the street, you know. About to walk up in this bitch. That shit don't even look that fucking big.
Some of them should be warehouses.
Yeah, that shit like a warehouse. The shit Dante showed me.
That's the shit. That's how I look inside. We gotta turn right there.
You know that, or you just saying that?
I'm telling you.
Cause don't have me do no illegal shit.
How else you gonna get in the parking lot?
I don't know.
Gotta turn.
Yeah, Georgia. That green turtle.
How the fuck I get over here?
You supposed to go that way.
This way, nigga. Ain't no way to go that way.
That's the way the cars is going behind us in the parking lot.
What?
George, go straight and turn.
straight and turn, bro.
Yeah.
Take the wrong turn.
No, he did not.
See where that green turn there? Yeah.
Man.
I made the wrong turn, or Dante made the wrong
You
turn.
made the
What I'm
wrong
trying
turn.
to say. Dante made you turn the wrong.
No, I told him to
All right, conversation.
You suck my dick, nigga. Fuck what you talking about.
Oh shit.
I know that's not a line again.
Oh yeah, we finally here. You doing bliss with us?
See that? You see that shit, real? That shit.
Oh damn. See what she with, right? Yo, her shit, fat boy. Yo, that's different. That's that PA ass. Damn, boy. Got me reminiscing. You pulling out? You pulling out? You pulling out? Alright. This boy don't got no shooting.
So we out here with the guys. Little vibes. Fireworks store, check it out. Calm drip. Calm drip.
Hold know, we got the Roman candles on deck. About to be lit.
Candles on deck.
I think you're supposed to keep the lens at one thing, bro. You don't gotta change it.
Yo, my son Baby J coming trippy. Check it out. We out here.
I got it.
Baby J, let me know what you about to, how much you trying to sprint in here? How about you a couple of stacks? I got you.
Wait, how much is what's the price for this?
Are you buying me a box?
I'm battling the box? I don't know. I'm battling on the box? That's how you moving?
That's how I'm moving. That's how you move, right, Dusty? That's some shit's gonna blow up in your hand, bitch. We got my son Baby J out here with the bag on him. That's what I'm talking about. Yo, Gary, let us know what you getting into. What you getting into?
And some more shit. That's what I'm
Leave the cash out there. The cash out there. Hey. How much? Hey.
I would do it too though, but I would take it and sell them somewhere else. Some of other people I had, they was coming up for competition. They were like, yo, we got
What's up, young bro? Talk to him. Talk to the camera, ugly. You look like your grandmother in your arm.
Shut up.
Let the camera go and talk to her. Baby J outside, nigga. Yeah.
People calling people ugly. Look at this. Look at this. Can he do it? Comment down below.
Now, who's fucking with us, huh? Who's fucking with us? This ain't even all of it. It's more in the car already for y'all. It's more in the car. Come on, man. We out here. We came all the way to PA, man. We are really out here. Now we gotta go back. Alright. What he want? He want cock in his ass. He want cock in his ass.
So you want pussy?
You know what that means?
You want to fuck pussy when you get older?
He want something.
No.
Well, you want to take dick? What, nigga? I started looking at bitches' asses when I was like 6, plus 7 years old.
Nigga, I was grabbing bitches' asses. Nigga, I was getting fat, bro.
KJ be slapping.
Let me show you how close I, bro. This how you know. This how you know when I get old, I was gonna get bitches, bro. I got bitches feeding me, nigga. I can't even find it. What, nigga?
I just sucked my teeth on that one.
Everybody have bitches feeding her.
Alright, everybody got feed.
Fuck you talking about?
Fuck what you talking about?
You wasn't having a baby girl feed you, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
No. What? Let me see that shit.
happened? No, nigga.
Let me see that shit.
Oh, nigga. Fuck you talking about? I don't know.
Nigga, that's his cousin.
I don't know. I don't even know that bitch, bro.
That's his cousin.
Alright, little kids do shit like that. You hype?
No, but I ain't no little kids, nigga.
They made them do that to take the picture.
Alright, so little kids do this shit too? Got the bitch stalking me with her finger in her mouth, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Stop playing with me, bro.
Yeah, look at a funny nigga.
Like,
He wanted to marry that girl, but she probably bad as shit.
I wanted to marry her, nigga.
She probably
She
bad
wanted
as
to
shit.
marry me.
She bad as shit right now.
Fuck, nigga.
Shit will have nothing to do with this nigga. Bro.
Get bitches, bro. Niggas know that.
Yo, where we at?
Nigga, I used to play booty tag, nigga.
Nigga,
I was
used to do
that
that
nigga,
shit too
boy.
in elementary school.
What? Smacking asses. Come here.
Yeah, that shit used to be fun.
Bow. I used to grab that shit too, squeeze it.
Bitches ain't had no ass back then, so what the
What?
fuck?
No,
was you
some of
really
them did.
squeezing,
Some of them did, boy. Some of them did. Junior high school?
I don't know what
Let
school
you know.
you went to,
I
bro.
was
I played that
a
shit in
302, my
elementary
boy.
Oh, he's there.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo.
Yo, what the fuck you doing back there, boy?
Always running your fucking mouth.
Want to get knocked out?
You gonna get... Yo, what is he doing, Bless? What he doing, Bless?
Catch on with that red
Suck your
pack of
power
fucking.
Yo, give me my shit.
Nigga, I'm slapping.
Yo, Booba, I swear to God, I'm gonna punch you. Let me pull over real quick.
I just gotta catch that nigga with one firework. He don't got no fireworks.
This is mine, Bless.
No.
What fireworks you got, bro?
Watch your door.
Yo, this is my shit. Look that boy. This is in my bag.
Nah, bro.
Turn it right. This is mine. Look.
Stick it down, get to the back.
You don't know what he's talking about.
Nah, bro.
Yo, get my bag. I don't got nothing in there.
Bro, you too big. Yo, George, bro.
Yeah, yo, you should never told me. I even know it was still back there.
Oh no, you not gonna tell
Yo, what the fuck, Bus? Just shut the fuck up.
Motherfucker got me fucked up, boy.
Bro, now we really in traffic, nigga.
I had to straighten shit out over there.
Traffic just fucking.
This shit piling up now.
It was Tristan, I think I lit it.
Oh, what's that? Watch out, Junior. What happened to the other one?
He ain't even like the other one.
So why you do it?
I thought I put both of them together.
Nah, that was just one. Good night.
Good one. Okay guys, so you can't probably see me because I'm literally black and it's the dark time mode. Tomorrow's 4th of July and we're doing fireworks and look at this.
What was that?
That was good, like, but I'll get back to you guys later. George is probably gonna edit this out anyways, but okay.
What happened? Oh, they want to start war over here, man. Sorry, my fault.
It's competition. Police came.
Nah, they said they get people reporting them as gunshots. They call them as gunshots. What the fuck are y'all doing?
Fuck, how you doing?
Stop
stealing, bitch!
Bitch, never steal, bitch!
Suck my dick! You crackhead, bitch!
I'm calling the cops!
Fucking thief!
I just got in the crib. My eyes low as hell. It is 1:50. You know, fuck. I'm about to go to sleep. Put my phone on Do Not Disturb. I'm putting the silent switch on. I'm putting the volume all the way down. And yeah, I'm off this. It's Uncommon TV. Make sure y'all please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Fireworks are gonna be going crazy, amazing tomorrow. Barbecue, all that. And I'm off this.
Yeah, it's Uncommon TV.